Murambwe. Tachema, tafuga mamai. Tamboti mbodonzai, musvike mu 2030. Vana vachema shefu. Muri kuti hongunda neta ndiyazopedza constitution itwa nevanhu shefu. Vanhu vataura, vana vachema. Shumba Murambwe. Tinzwire idzidzi. Mazvita.
Masquera say, Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingodaro ka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takigirai nyaya irikupisha nyaya rikunetsa nyaya buda ichinzi mai Auxillia Mnangagwa ndivo vava kurana nyika from behind hanzi vaMnangagwa is no longer leading the nation. Ndofunga nyaya yabuditswa mushure mekunge pane video rakacirculata mastreets social media ratoda kuratidzai comrade Webster Shamyarira vachibuda vachikumbira mai Auxillia Mnangagwa kuti vakumbire vaMnangagwa kuti vaonekwa vachitonga nyika. Zvikanzi everything right now zviri kuenda nemaoko mamai Auxillia Mnangagwa. Zvinomira mushe ndofunga nyaya yakambobuditswa nakasukuera achitaura iye achiti masources ari inside ZANU-PF ari kumudza kuti vaMnangagwa dementia yava affected zvekuti he is no longer running the country. Zimbabwe pane nyaya yakanetsawo zvakare zvichinzi Sean Mnangagwa pamwe chete namai Auxillia Mnangagwa hanzi they are the ones vaka initiate machanges mumilitary. Zimbabwe tisingazivi kuti nyaya chokwadi here kana kuti asi pari zvino hazvina kumira mushe zviri kunzi mai Auxillia Mnangagwa ndivo vari kutonga Zimbabwe. Ndofunga pane nyaya zvakare yakambobuda presidential ambitions mai Auxillia Mnangagwa yakabudiswa neThe Zimbabwean Mail vachitaura ivo vachiti Mnangagwa's wife accused of secret plot to eliminate him amid political turmoil. And the political landscape in Zimbabwe has been rocked by shocking allegations involving First Lady Auxillia Mnangagwa, who is accused of orchestrating a clandestine plot to eliminate her husband, President Emerson Mnangagwa. The accusations emerge against a backdrop of intensifying factional battles within the ruling ZANU-PF party, further destabilizing an already fragile administration. The allegations surfaced following the abrupt dismissal of General Msanyatwe on March 27, 2025. The former commander of the Presidential Guard, known for his close ties to the military establishment, was relieved of his duties under unclear circumstances, sparking widespread speculation. Sources within security circles claim that Msanyatwe's removal was linked to his knowledge of an alleged plot to assassinate Mnangagwa, supposedly masterminded by individuals within his inner circle, including his wife. While details remain murky, intelligence insiders suggest that Auxillia Mnangagwa allegedly instructed a faction of the military to carry out the elimination of the president. These revelations have sent shockwaves through the corridors of power, with opposition leaders and political analysts warning of a deepening crisis within the ruling elite. Political commentator Tendai Magaya described the unfolding drama as a symptom of the intense power struggles within ZANU-PF and the broader state apparatus. He added, Mnangagwa has been walking a tightrope since taking over from Robert Mugabe in 2017, and now the internal divisions are reaching a boiling point. The alleged plot, if proven true, could mark an unprecedented chapter in Zimbabwe's history, raising questions about the stability of Mnangagwa administration and the military's role in governance. However, the government has dismissed these claims as baseless, with presidential spokesperson George Charamba branding them malicious fabrications designed to sow discord within the leadership. General Msanyatwe's dismissal is not the first military shakeup under Mnangagwa's rule. In recent months, several high-ranking officers have been reassigned or removed, fueling speculation about rifts between the military and the political establishment. Some analysts believe the president has been working to consolidate power, wary of some military factions that played a crucial role in ushering him into the office after Mugabe's ousting. Reports indicate that Msanyatwe, a key figure in the post-2017 power transition, he had grown increasingly distrustful of the First Lady's political ambitions and influence over the state affairs. His removal is seen as a primitive move by Mnangagwa to neutralize potential threats within the security establishments. Meanwhile, sources within the security sector claim that there has been increased surveillance and internal investigations to determine the veracity of the alleged assassination plot. There is heightened tension in the security forces, a military insider revealed. The allegations may seem far-fetched, but the level of paranoia at the top is very real. With Zimbabwe facing economic turmoil, a restless population and growing dissent within his own party, Mnangagwa's hold on power appears more fragile than ever. If the allegations against the First Lady gain traction, it could open the floodgates for further instability, potentially paving the way for new power struggles within ZANU-PF and the military. Political analyst Dr. Nkululeko Sibanda suggested that Mnangagwa must tread carefully. Zimbabwe's history is rife with political betrayals and unexpected shifts in power dynamics. If there is truth to these allegations, Mnangagwa may find himself increasingly isolated, he warned. As Zimbabweans watch these developments unfold, uncertainty looms over what the future holds for Mnangagwa's presidency. Whether his alleged plot is a mere rumor or a sign of deeper cracks within the ruling elite, one thing is certain: the political drama in Zimbabwe is far from over. Those who are in Zimbabwe and Mail, when Zimbabwe is going to say, Nyai, Tuesday, Ramufunga, more comment section.
Area yetu pano pa irrigation, pane gomo irrigation. Kwanga kuri kumateni. Masoja advedo twanga apanga pasina soja anga apfeka uniform. Panga pane mapurisa, riot vane matekers, nevamwe vanopfuti, vanenge vakaisa putisa. Nemasiaiwo, vanga vakawandisa zvimwe zvisingaite. Zvokuti mamwe mafamily haana kubvumirwa kupinda mukati, vakavharirwa kunze. Ndopa vatora 4 family. Kumashure futi aiuya ese ainge aripo futi patikawirirana kuti ndibonda ari kugara ainge aripo futi.
Asi iko zvino akuti ndini ndamamba.
Akabva anotora musisi wake hanzvadzi yake kuti hanzvadzi yake ishandise masimba.
Pfungwa yekuita umambo munoti imimi ndeamai here yaamai Mnangagwa kana kuti ndeyakatyauripo? Kutyauripo?
Pfungwa yekuita umambo ndeamai Mnangagwa. Kozi takanga taita matare takawirirana semhuri tiri pamwe chete. Ivo vakanga vasipo pane varume chete. Saka madzimai izvali tinoita matare echirume. Saka pfungwa dzaamai.